Hi everyone! In today's video tutorial you will see how to crochet 6-petal flower made in 3D crochet technique. This is my own pattern I created recently for you. For work I will use a ball of yarn and 1.4 mm crochet hook. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin my flower from the foundation ring. Make chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Work into the ring. Make 18 double crochet into the ring. For this, make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn instead of first double crochet. And make 17 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on till you will get 17 double crochet. Once I have done 17 double crochet stitches into the ring, plus 3 chains to bring up the yarn. To complete this round, work with a slip stitch into the third chain stitch on the beginning of this round. As you can see, I removed my yarn. You can remove a long piece of yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. And I continue working on my flower. Let's crochet the base for my petals. In total it should be 6 bases for the 6 petals. For the next round, make a chain. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch on the beginning of the previous round. Make single crochet. Then chain of 2, 1, 2. Well done. Then chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. Or this is the second chain stitch from the bottom. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or this is the second chain stitch from the bottom. Here what I have. Make treble crochet, not finish. 1. Make the second one treble crochet, not finish into the same chain stitch. Then yarn over the hook 3 times and make double treble crochet stitch, not finish into the same chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. The first base for my petal is ready. Then I will show you how to crochet the trim for my base. For the trim, make chain of 2. Let's stop and look. Now I show you the direction in crocheting. I will start from this side. This is the middle one. Continue with the opposite stitch in the middle part. And to work with this part and continue with the opposite side as usually. Then I will show you how to crochet the next row. Let's crochet the trim for my base. Insert the hook around the stitch. I did 2 chains and work around the stitch. Make 6 single crochet with picot. Make single crochet, then chain of 3 for the picot. Work with slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. 1, then single crochet 2 and picot, 3 and picot, 4, 5, 6 and picot. So once I have done 6 single crochet with picot, work with the opposite stitch in the middle part. Insert the hook into the stitch, make 6 single crochet with picot. Let's count 1 picot, 2 and picot, 3 and picot, 4 and picot, 5 and picot, 6 and picot. So I'm done 6 single crochet with picot on both sides. You can check yourself. You can count only picots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Everything is correct. Before I stop, this is 2 chain space. I insert the hook into 2 chain space and make single crochet with picot. Well done. Then I'm going to work with next 2 stitches. So I will work with this part of my base. Let's stop and look what I have done. I have got cute and amazing flower in the petal. Work around the stitch. Make single crochet. Make 9 single crochet on the both sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Work with the opposite side. make 9 single crochet around the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. This is the first stitch after the picot. There is the single crochet with picot, and this is the next stitch. Make slip stitch into this first single crochet. Let's stop and look what I have done. This is front side and this is the back side. Then I will show you how to crochet the petal for this flower, and I will show you how to complete my first petal in the flower. I remind you, my flower consists of 6 petals. I continue working on my current petal. Make chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chain of 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Make a slip stitch. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make 2 treble crochet. 1 and make the second treble crochet. My 2 treble crochet are ready. Well done. Make double crochet in a row. Make double crochet 1 and make the second one into the same stitch. In total it should be 3 times. I'm done the first time. 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Once I have done 2 double crochet into each of next 3 stitches. Continue, make double crochet, half double crochet into the next stitch, and single crochet in a row. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Well done. Here what I have at this point. I am done the half of my petal. Continue. This is my top. Insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make single crochet 1. Continue single crochet into the next stitch. My petal is ready. Here how it looks. You can use it like an ring or accessories for your big project. You can add a bead to the center of the flower. For the next petal, make single crochet into the next stitch. As I did before, make the base for the next petal. Chain of 2. Now I show you how to crochet the base for the second petal. Then you should continue working by yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. Make treble crochet not finish 1, then make the second treble crochet not finish, and double treble crochet stitch not finish. And pull through all loops on the hook. The base for the petal is ready. In total it should be 6 of them. Each petal based on 3 stitches. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to finish my flower. Let's stop at this point. Let's look at my project. In this case I'm done 3 petals, and here how they look like. And for this one I used a red color of yarn. You can stop at any stage of the project. You can crochet 1 petal or 2. It depends on your imagination and your mood. And don't be afraid to experiment, and remember, the crocheting is art. So use your imagination and your mind. Once I have done all my petals, now I show you how to finish my flower. Once I have done 2 single crochet, I skip the chain stitch in the beginning of this round. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain. I already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew a bead to the center of the flower, or you can remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower using sewing needle or crochet hook. And that's it. My project is ready. I just need to straighten up my petal and add a bead to the center of the flower. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. My beautiful 3D flower is ready. It consists of only 6 petals. Each petal has one small cute flower. This is my own pattern I created recently for you. This is my favorite technique. All additional information about the tools, useful links, could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting.